Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable the home icon on Google Chrome for your PC after the latest update. If you're looking to make your browsing experience more efficient, having a home button can be a real time saver. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar interface where you can start browsing. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This is known as the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various features of your Chrome browser. Now, in the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Appearance. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks and behaves. Once you're in the Appearance settings, look for an option that says Show Home Button. You may notice that this option is currently disabled. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to it. When you do this, a small house icon will appear next to your address bar. If you want to customize what your home button does, you can also enter a specific URL in the box below this option. For example, if you want your home button to take you directly to Google, just type in https://www.google.com and hit enter. Finally, after enabling the home button and setting your preferred home page, you're all set. Now, whenever you want to return home while browsing, just click that little house icon, and it will take you right back to your designated home page. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the home icon on Google Chrome. Enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience with easy access to your favorite homepage. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.